Hey dreamers, if you want to make thumbnails like this that grab attention and get more clicks, what if I told you that you can create professional looking thumbnails in just 5 minutes using only your phone? No fancy software, no design skills, and no stress. Whether you're a complete beginner or have zero knowledge of making thumbnails, by the end of this video, you'll be creating thumbnails like a pro. Ready to level up your YouTube game? So in this video, I'm going to show you a complete tutorial of this thumbnail. So let's create it.
Open Pixel and delete the text box. Then tap the 3 lines at the top and choose the YouTube thumbnail size. Now, let's add a background. Go to the gallery, select an image, or use one of your own. Once you've chosen it, adjust the background properly so it fits. Next, it's time to add text. Click on the text option and type in your thumbnail title. I've already added mine. To make it stand out, go to the font section, upload a custom font, and apply it. Now, adjust the text placement so it looks just right. Now, let's duplicate the first text. Simply double tap it and type in your second text. After that, go to the color option and select green, or choose your own color. To make the text pop, let's add a glowing effect. Tap the plus symbol button, add a sticker. And go to the color box to choose a color that fits your design. Once done, adjust it like this. Then, go to the layer option and drag the sticker below the text to create a realistic glow effect. Now, duplicate the sticker, change its color to green, adjust it, and drag it down in the layer option again. Let's add images to the thumbnail. Open the gallery, select the first image, and adjust it to fit the design. If you want to add a stroke effect, go to stroke and turn it on. Then, add the second image. Adjust it the same way. And apply the stroke effect. Repeat the process for the third image, making sure everything is aligned perfectly. After that, let's add the final image and adjust it the same way. We need to add an arrow PNG. Go to the gallery, import the arrow, crop it if needed, and adjust its rotation. Add a second arrow PNG, place it properly, and align it for the best look. Once everything is set, go to Share, select 1080p quality, and save your thumbnail. But wait, we're adding one last touch. To give the thumbnail a stroke outline, open Pixel Lab again, create a new project, and select the thumbnail size. Then, add a shape, fill the screen, and place your saved thumbnail over it. Increase its size to 99, adjust it, and now the stroke effect is applied. Your thumbnail is officially ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.